Ready?
Oh, he has clean crickets now, yo.
Yo, right into the camera, the glasses.
Oh my god. Don't kill me, the glasses fell off.
The whole thing.
Oh my god.
Like get some free food from McDonald's, dude. Like who does that? Like why does he have to lie though? Why can't he just keep it 200? Like top left, yo. Jeez. Oh dog, yo. Some people just chase me. Yo dog, if I'm telling you I'm gonna steal from you, dog, I'm gonna steal from you. I'm not gonna tell you like I'm not gonna like tell you, oh no, I'm just gonna say hi to you. No, I'm just gonna jack you, end the story, and I'm not gonna tell man, oh, hi, I'm just gonna say hi, I'm gonna jack someone, like, no man.
Let's go, Hype!
Thank you for their dance. That's my crew!
Alright, can we see that?
Yep.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, my ear. Asshole.